Today, I'm going to answer the question, what is a log cabin kit supplier? Let's go.
I'm Becky. One day, I had enough. So I sold it all, moved to the country, and built my own log cabin with my own two hands. Now, I spend my time discovering new ways to live a simple, healthy lifestyle with more free time and way less stress. Then, sharing what I've learned with you. Welcome to Becky's Homestead.
I'm going to answer the questions, what is a log cabin kit? What are the advantages of a cabin kit? And what comes with a kit? All right, let me start by saying a log cabin kit is when somebody else finds the trees of the perfect size, cuts them all down, gets the bark off them, cuts the pieces so they fit perfectly around the windows and the doors. And, they get the good logs, nice and straight, no warps and just everything. They go find all that. Cut it down with the chainsaw. You don't have to do all that, which is such a plus. And then they get the perfect pieces. So they number them so you know where they go. And they load them up all in a truck. And they come to your house and get the forklift, unload them all, give you the piece of paper that has the diagram of where each and every log goes, which is a very precise position. And they're like, have fun, bye. And then you sit there for me, it was a couple weeks going, whew, let me wrap my head around all this and look at stuff and just see how it goes. All right, the next thing I'm going to talk about is, let me think. Oh, I was going to talk about the advantages of a kit, which I did cover those kind of, which is like you don't have to go find all the trees and cut them down, which is just such an immense amount of work, especially if you're going to build, like, this is a small 800 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1 bath. But if you're just going to do a little like 12 by 20 log cabin, well, you can probably find enough trees and do it yourself. But, if you want something bigger, that is just such an immense amount of work, and will take you so long. It'll take you forever to build your house. So kits are good. Kits are great. I can account for the quality of the logs and just how pleased I was with the kit, and also that I did not have to cut all the logs down. Big plus. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is what comes with the kit. Different companies offer different things. So some companies offer windows, of course, for an extra price. So all exterior stuff. You can choose the windows you want, of course, according to your building codes in your area, wherever you live. There's a code. So, wherever you're buying the kit, just make sure the windows go according to your code. Also, what comes with it are the floor joist and the OSB sheathing that goes on the subfloor. So OSB subfloor and trusses. You have a choice to buy those. Also, you can buy trusses, the roof trusses, and also you can get the roof sheathing. They never minded even offer like flooring, like whatever, if you want wood flooring, tile, whatever, that's all on you. You buy it, pick it, does not come with the kit. Same with the roof. It comes with the sheathing, but you pick if you want wood shingles, tin roof, whatever. That's on you. Another thing I want to say that comes with the kit are the bolts that bolt these big logs. They come with huge bolts, and the caulk came with it. That was included in the kit. Screws, nails, all that stuff that you need to install your floor joists and all the subfloor, all the sheathing onto your, trusses is on you. Didn't come with the kit, which, trust me, after you start buying all the screws and nails, it is a huge cost. You have to take that into account before you get started, or you're just going to be like, wow, that is a lot of extra money. Also, what you can come with it, according to the plans of the little cabin or whatever house you choose or cabin, you can choose to get the interior 2x4 stud walls, just the 2x4s. You put it up yourself according to the blueprints. Again, you got to buy all the nails, screws, whatever. And then you choose sheetrock, whatever you put on it, you buy that. It doesn't come with the kit, the sheetrock and all that stuff. And let me just think what else, if I can think of anything. Of course, plumbing, electrical is all on you. Doesn't come with any of that. You got to buy all that, install all that yourself. Another thing that you really have to take into consideration, this is very important too, is depending on where you live, you should find a local engineer and hire them. The kit comes with engineer stamped blueprints, and then you submit those to the town, you know, to get your permits and everything. But they usually kick them back. The plans are very generic, so you're going to need a local engineer who can answer all the questions the county has of all the rejections and deal with that and take care of that. So it is very smart to make sure your kit comes with engineered stamped blueprints, and also you find a local engineer in your area, your county, that you can deal with, because you're going to need them. So I just wanted to add that too, which is very important. Thanks for watching, and please hit like, subscribe, and the channel member, and happy homesteading. Bye-bye.